Audience, are you ready? I'm sorry, is there anybody out there? Audience, are you ready? Let's start the fight. 3, 2, 1, activate! So we have two very powerful flipping robots. Chronic throwing Toxic 2 into the air. So all teams are being extra safe today, trying not to throw themselves out the arena. Chronic onto the Toxic. Now normally you might throw Toxic out of the arena, but today it's been very powerful. So both of these robots weigh a whopping 100 kilograms each, and they'll just be tossed around the arena. Chronic now stuck against the wall, trying to get himself down, and self-rights back onto his wheels, back into the action. Toxic throws Chronic over again, and Chronic self-right back into his wheels, it's going to land back on Toxic's flipper. The gas that the robots have is only a limited supply. They only have a few flips each, so we've got to make sure they don't use up all of their gas. So each flip, each self-right uses an essential part of gas. As they run out of gas, you'll notice the flippers. Naughty, naughty, naughty Chronic. We knew somebody was going to do it before the end of the day. But anyway, that means we do have a winner. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Chronic. Or should we disqualify Chronic? All Roboteers were told not to